Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. Woohoo! So today I'm in a Playa Chica anyway, so let's have a quick look at the Playa Chica, folks. So I'm here right now because it's very windy and it's not great for for sitting there around, and wow, it's very windy. I'll show it to you. So there you go, folks. I'm here at the Playa Chica. As you can see, you will see all the mountains right there. It's just very clear. And the path that you need to walk to go to Puerto and Playa Quemada is just right there, and all the mountains right there. Wow, it's just amazing, amazing, folks. It's just very windy. Can't stand it anymore. Look, I have my sweatshirt on, and the wind is still penetrate in this sweatshirt. So, yeah. What's up, everyone? Everything's cool. Look. There's gonna be a chiringuito, a beach bar here in Fariones, so you can have a few drinks when you're lying down at the Playa Chica, even in this semi-private beach of the Fariones. Sorry about the wind noise, folks. It's just very windy. So much. Everything's blowing up. And look at the spa. The spa right here is almost finished. Wow. Look, there's a swimming pool right here. I think it's a jacuzzi, if I'm not mistaken. Look, jacuzzi right there. There's another pool inside. I think it's a warm one. And yeah, it's a spa. I hope it's for everyone, not only for Eunice guest. I think it's for everyone. I hope. So anyway. Every day okay here in Puerto Carmen. We're now gonna walk in the sand. It's very rough. The sea is very rough today, as you can see right there. Right there. Wow. Look. That's how it is, huh? Look at all the birds dancing in the sky right now. Woohoo! Wow. For the most part, this is the best. I think the best or the worst, I don't know. People are coming here because of this nice private sand beach that you can lie down for a bit and enjoy the beautiful life. Look, you have a beautiful hotel in the background, and you have the nicest beach. That no rocks at all, that you can swim all the way there, but today it's just very rough. Look at this side. This side is just like very rocky. It's good to see some different things, Look. Wow. Amazing, eh? The water's just going up. So yep, need to walk down right there. Time check, it's 10 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see, there's nobody around here in this spot. There's no people that's lying down want to have a tan skin because it's so windy they can't even lie down. I think most of the guests right here inside this glass, so they're a little bit protected from the heavy winds coming from the north side. That's my theory. Yay! Big shout out to all the people that are here right now. Woo! Enjoying their beautiful life. Just a great walk this morning. I walked from the house to Pambay to the old town, and then come back right now. Just having my milestone actually. I mean, the walk thing that I every day do, and to finish it every single day. It's a good exercise as well. So just a few minutes of walk. I'm here now in La Playa Grande. Wow. You see the tracks of the big monster truck right here that cleaning all the sand. That's very awesome. It's just windy. I can't stand it anymore, you know. Sometimes if you're in this kind of situation, it's very windy. I mean all day, every day. You're gonna get some headache for the rest of the day. It's just like you're exposed in the sunshine and then you're exposed in the heavy winds all day. Wow. Later on, maybe midday, you're starting to have some headache because of that wind. So I highly recommend if you're sitting in the beach for a couple of hours or maybe 2 or 3 hours, just get out and have a few drinks and then come back again. You know, it's just don't stay forever because the wind just gonna give you a really bad headache. So we're now here at the Playa Grande. Another walk in the sand. I'm in the shoes right now. You know why? Because I'm cold. That's why. It's winter time. But for some people, look at them. They have some slippers, flip-flops, or whatever you call it. Me, I'm in the shoes. Because I feel cold. Nice weather actually, but it's very windy. This is not great if you're lying down, but from the beds that you're gonna rent, they have some wind barrier. It's like a net that can protect you a little bit in the heavy winds and the sand sticking in your body. That's the one. It's really nice out here. Look, this is the tracks of the big truck that passing by here and collect all the cigarette butts and all the tiny bit garbage that human throwing it. Yeah, you know what I mean? Wow, look at the beds. Wee-hee. Oh man, for Eunice Plus. You see, most of the people are inside right now because of the heavy winds, and they are here. They are there, sorry, to protect them from heavy winds just like this. Because if you're here, you want to hear it? Let me try. Let me try to tell you how heavy the wind is. This way. So this is the onboard mic of our camera. See how windy it is today. Oh man, just want to walk here in the beach and have a closer look. It's fine, there's a lot of people walking here. Look at this. See? Wow, no words. I got no words to say, folks. I think the best we can do right now is just lie down and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Look, it's yellow flag. So anyway, that's Puerto Carmen all the way right there. It's the biggest, yeah? I want to sit down a little bit. That's how I sit. I think it's wet. The sand is wet. That's why. That's how I sit. I enjoy. You know, I plan to sit down, but the sand is wet. Oh. Luckily it didn't sit. It's wet. You know how high the water comes. You know, sometimes way back when I was working at the beach bar, This is supposed to be like there's a terrace there, you know, we have the bar right there, and everything's in place. Sometimes the water just went so far that we end up in the middle, just like a tiny ocean right there. And kids are okay there, but I mean, yeah, look at this yellow flag. Uh, Way back when I was working in the beach bar, I always wondering if I can sit right there. And now I'm here. This is how boring the place is, you know. I mean the work that you need to sit down here all day, all night, just watching the people swim. You need to be alert, you know, because sometimes when it's summer, it's just a lot of people swimming around here. So you need to be focused. That's why a big salute to all the people that working hard in this part of the beach, you know. Try to maintain it, try to, what you call this, do their jobs. Make it short. So a big salute to you guys. Actually, I just went here, just want to show you the beach today. Try to make change, and people are watching right now. You can hear the sound waves and all the stuff. It's just like making, while watching the video, is just like feeling what I'm feeling right now. That's the one I really like. Amazing, amazing place. Yeah. And all the apartments is just right there in the other side, and bars and drinks. You can have anything you want. If you're a little bit bored at the beach, you want to go there to have a cocktail and beers, they do have right there. It's just very, very, very awesome place. Just like a paradise, you know, you get anything you want in one place. The safety line. I think this is for the boats right there, but they're not allowed today, so yeah, because of the high waves and rough sea. I think it's a very, very strong current that can bring you in the open sea. Look, people there are very happy. I know it's chill, but if you're in the water maybe 2 to 3 minutes or a max of 5 minutes, you'll be okay. And you're gonna be warm. And we have some sunshine as well, so it's amazing. Most people are walking here as well. So they have the nicest time. Easy pace, they call it. You have to walk in an easy pace and just enjoy it. So I'm just gonna go here. I need the bathroom. Sorry about that. So here you go, folks. This is the price, just in case you're wondering. 2 beds and umbrella is for $10.50. 1 bed and 1 umbrella is €7. Yep, this is it. Changed a little bit, but not much. So just one. The people are wondering what's the price. This is the price, folks. Sorry about cutting in. I just went to a bathroom. Sorry about that, folks. So this is a very quick update, just walking by and bring you with me. So I just enjoy walking there as well, but it's a little bit chill, as you can see. Most of the people are here, and it's protected with this big wall. It's not so windy around here, but it's an open wide beach right here. It's just so windy. So folks, I think that's it. I hope you enjoy our little walk and little talk. So we're gonna do this more often. Not much a longer video. Maybe in a few bits of Puerto, Carmen. I'll make a 10 minutes to 15 minutes video for you guys to see what's happening here every single day, almost every single day. So folks, thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope you have the best day in your life. If you do like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, enjoying, and see you in the next episode. So support locals, folks, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out. Woohoo! Hee-hee. Big shout out to Jake and to Mr. Jake and Old Soldier. Sorry about that, folks. They went in a restaurant and I'm not there. Sorry. I hope I see you around. Well, that's it. Bye bye for now. See ya.